Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2010 Winnebago 33C. This is a 3-slide Winnebago Class A gas coach. This is going to be on the 8.1 GM Workhorse chassis with the side cameras and the backup camera. This is going to have the Allison transmission. A lot of great storage. Love how their storage comes out with the slide out. That way you're not doing the duck and dive thing and trying to climb underneath the slide to get to your storage. That's a huge storage area. This has got the Weather Pro electric awning by A&E. Good company. Still making great awnings. And look at all the storage on this. Oh yeah, and then look at this. Almost forgot. Winnebago's giving you a place to store and a spare tire, which most manufacturers don't do. You may not be able to change the tire, but you'll have it with you, so if a service does come out, they can change it for you. This has got the rear heater. This works on what we call coach heat. So while you're running down the road, it can use the engine heat to heat your house from the back to the front and from the front to the back. Kind of meet in the middle. We've got the 5.5 Onan micro quiet generator, gasoline powered. So this coach is going to have 2 air conditioners on the top. There's our plumbing station. Here's our dump station. And a lot of storage. Easy to get to. Here's our propane tank. It's set up with extend to stay on it. I don't know if that's going to pass inspection because we do inspect our coaches very thoroughly. Make sure they're safe for our customer. If we look right here in the doorway, we've got our 400-watt entertainment inverter. This is going to power our entertainment package, which is our TVs, DVDs, VCRs, etc. Okay. Right here, we've got our solar panel. This is set up with a full-on solar system on the roof, so it's going to keep your batteries charged up. I have it on my coach, and I really like it. Very convenient. Up front, we've got our, I don't know if you can see down here, but this is our automatic hydraulic leveling. You push 2 buttons and this coach is going to level itself. This is on that Workhorse chassis with the Allison transmission. It's going to be a 5-speed. Over here in the middle, we've got our backup monitor and side camera monitor. Okay, and this one has got volume right here. Nice thing about that is if you're guiding someone back into a tight spot, you can just look up at the camera and communicate with them exactly what you want done. AM, FM, CD, DVD system here in the middle. Here's our coach heat I was talking about to heat the coach from the front and the back. Nice flat panel TV, big TV. Video does not do this table justice. It's huge. You could put a Thanksgiving dinner on this table. Sofa on one side, booth on the other. Nice open floor plan. Very little carpeting. Euro recliner. Love this kitchen. We've got a lot of drawers. Some great storage. Your big pots and pans will fit in there nicely. I wish I had that much storage in my coach. Here's our overhead storage. I could continue opening doors and drawers on this thing all day long. We've got a nice wood panel refrigerator, good size. Our all-in-one bathroom. Big tall guy bubble over the shower for our taller customers. Again, it's a short coach. It's only 33 feet, but we've got a lot of places to put stuff. Here in our bedroom, we've got a sliding door for privacy. We've got a king-size bed here. Window right over the bed so we can get some fresh air in. Opening window right across from the bed. And then here, good sized closet. Again, we've got 6 drawers on this side. So we've got a lot of storage in a short couch. Very nicely done. Full walk around bed. Great little storage, 2 TVs. This is a 2010 Winnebago 33C. I'm Roger with Guaranty. Thank you.